When performed properly, with the correct equipment and supplies, cleaning and maintenance are preservation techniques that will prolong the life of your soft surface, keep it looking great, and prolong the need to replace it for years and possibly decades. Step-by-step chewing gum treatment. Tools needed are a white cotton towel, soft brush for agitation, device to scrape and puncture gum, gel solvent spotter, hot water extractor, and a Carpet and Rug Institute approved encapsulant cleaner, such as Tarket Cyan 5. Apply gel solvent directly to top of gum spot. Use appropriate tool to puncture the gum, thereby distributing the gel solvent into the fibers below the spot. Allow the gel solvent to dwell 2 to 5 minutes. Using blunt edge of tool, scrape from outside edge of gum towards center to remove the spot. Wipe gum on towel and continue until satisfied with the results. Reapply gel solvent if needed and agitate. Allow to dwell. Continue to gently agitate fibers to remove gum. Blot area to remove excess gel solvent. Apply Cyan 5 full strength to the area and agitate. Allow for 10 to 15 minute dwell time. Rinse using hot water extraction. Fully flush until no residue is present in the fiber. Take multiple vacuum-only passes for maximum moisture removal. Place air mover to speed drying process. It is very important that all safety precautions for equipment, chemistry, and supplies be closely followed by the individuals performing these processes. Tarket is not responsible for personal injury or damage to property.